What's happening, guys? This is VG, and in this video we are going to make a bullet for our gun. In the last video we have made a gun for our player. Now we are going to make bullets for our gun. So first we have to click on this icon, and also we are going to configure that the bullet will go from the middle of gun, means from here, as you can see here. So first we are going to see this pipe, means where it is. So it is in these two lines. So we are going to make a bullet here, and also we are going to see its second costume. This is first and this is the second. It is not proper, so scroll it, then select this whole part, then using arrow keys you can move it little bit up. Yes, that's okay. So now we are going to make the bullet. So first little bit zoom it up like this, select a brown color, and then make a point here, then here, then here, then here, and then make a line like this. Yes, these 4 lines, and erase some parts, and then paint it with the brown color, and then choose red color and make it like this, then brown color. Now again choose a red color, then like this, and like this, then again like this, and like this, and then again paint it brown color like this. Then click on this green color and then paint it like this. Yes, that's okay. Now let's make it go to the gun, and it will move if we click on the screen. So let's do it. If spacebar is clicked, the original one sprite will hide. Then when I start as clone, go back by 10 layers, show, go to the player, then it will point in the direction, of player. Then it will move 100 steps forward. Then forever it will repeat until touching the edge. Move 10 steps. The clone will repeat until it is touching the edge. And when I start as clone, forever, if touching edge, then delete this clone. Now I have to again go to the player. Again we have to make something like this. When space is clicked, forever, if taken, or if key space is pressed or mouse down, then it will create clone of the sprite 2, means the bullet. Let me rename it. Then it will wait until not taken out. Duplicate these 3 blocks, put them inside this. It will wait until space or mouse is not clicked. So let's test it. Yes, that's working. So I found a problem. As you can see, this is the problem. This is not in the middle, so this problem is appearing. So we are going to take an if direction is smaller than 0, so it will turn 90 degree. Move, make it 12. So now the direction is greater than 0, so it will turn 90 degree, move minus 3 steps, then turn back 90 degree. Now let's test this. Yes, now it's working. So in this tutorial we have made a bullet for this gun. So in the next tutorial we are going to make a zombie in this game. Thank you.